Hi, I'm Dr. Pautz. I head the Persephone Healing Arts Center in North Jacksonville Beach, Florida. I am board certified in internal and integrative medicine. I hold several other certifications, including an herbal certification, an integrative neurology certification. I'm a certified Walsh practitioner. I'm a certified eurythmist. And those patients that come to me, they come because they want to be more actively involved in their own healthcare to maintain or improve. What I practice is in harmony with school medicine. School medicine has its place, and unfortunately, some people do need that care to get the best care they need. And so a lot of people like that I can refer or put my foot down and say, this is something that needs to be looked at or scoped with a GI doctor or looked at by a radiologist or an oncologist. So all that is all good and fair. This video is about a special event that I'm very excited to organize together with Debra Violett Grindstaff. She is a licensed counselor in social work and heads the Violett Counseling and Consulting that is in Altamonte Springs, Florida. So Debbie is hosting that event and I'm going to be the guest speaker. The topic is mental health medical care through a holistic integrative lens, with me being the guest speaker. I have known Debbie for 15 years, and really what got us connected was her daughter Megan, who is turning 20 in just a very short, brief time here. And her and my birthday are actually just a couple days apart. And Megan is turning 20. I have known both Debbie and Megan for 15 years and have been involved with Megan's care. She was nonverbal when she first came. We put her on several anthroposophic medical remedies and worked with my approach. I also referred the family to Camp Hill Home in Pennsylvania, which is an anthroposophic philosophy where people with a physical and mental disability can be and imitate in houses like a house father and a house mother, and they have a few children in each house. They are in the land. They learn how to grow vegetables, they get therapies, they get massages, depending on the situation, of course. So I'm very, very excited that Debbie invited me to come down to Altamonte Springs, where she has been with this practice and a multitude of other counselors for a year now only, and has a beautiful facility from what I see from the video walkthrough. And here is our flyer that we created together here. I'm going to hold it close. And this is an opportunity also for some of my patients who have other friends that they have wanted to bring up here for a while, thinking they would be a good match here with what they're looking for, to come to Altamonte Springs because it's 2 hours south of here. So it's closer to Orlando, it's closer to Miami, it's closer to somebody who is more in middle or South Florida. Again, we are super excited about this. We hope to see some of you there. Please spread the word. Megan is a very, very special human being, as are all the autistic individuals. They're very unique and special. Megan was blessed with unbelievable parenting skills, although the father and the mother are involved in other family circumstances. They have done a superb job in providing for Megan. And yes, they were blessed with some resources too that allowed them to do that. And Megan's ability to work on being as peaceful as she can possibly be without fear, and being involved in the natural things that are bringing her joy and peace and nurturing. She is now being trained that she can learn some skills, flower, making, cooking skills and whatever, so that she has as much independence as possible, which is really a goal that these individuals learn as much as possible independently, so that they can sustain certain activities. Temple Grandin, for instance, she is huge on supporting that these individuals need to have some jobs, some income, some skill sets, and they can't start early enough to being involved in their community with some of these skills. Yeah, Megan is a little angelic, to be honest. Yes, she's autistic. Yes, she is repetitive. Like, one of the things that she keeps saying is, Dr. Pautz, what's next, when she's visiting here physically for a visit. And in general, it's just amazing how much she has developed. And I am of a firm belief that we are all here for a reason, and that these children and adults have also a mission of learning some lessons out of this life, and whatever we can help them as friends, family, professionals, to being as much in peace without constant anxiety, fear, frustration, is helping them on their path of evolution, and is ultimately going to bless us back to, for those of us who are trying to facilitate that for them. That can only be good for them and also for the world, to have us all in a very productive space. And there's a reason for everything, even if we don't understand it. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that you can join us in Altamonte, or pass the word on to somebody who might be living close to there. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.